Well, we're in my office. This is the desk that I currently use to edit YouTube at. Nothing fancy about it. I actually got it for $100 at Staples. And it works, right? I get by with this. I got a comfortable chair, but I want my office to be more comfortable. If you're not comfortable, you don't want to use it. And I fully intend on using it more than I currently do. So what we're going to cover today is getting everything out of my office, which right now we have this hope chest, which is going to go into a second bedroom. We have the computer desk, which is going to have to go into the other bedroom temporarily, so I can keep using it while I'm fixing up the office. Filing cabinet. And we've got some of my wife's miscellaneous stuff in my closet, which we've got a prep for a wedding dress and some Christmas stuff and some air mattresses back there. And anyway, get all this out of here. Get my printer up where it belongs, which is down there on the ground. And get ready to paint. Closet doors are coming out, obviously the curtains are coming down, trim's coming off, carpet's coming out. So we're gonna get started.